Morning, everybody. Got a nice box at the post office from Frank from Alabama. We'll open it up in front of you. What do you think it is? I don't know. No idea. It's gotta be good. Thanks, Frank. Send us a nice letter too, huh?
Yep.
Sent to both of us.
Very nice. Thank you.
Nice. Any idea yet? Oh. I think I know what this is. Because he's been telling me about this. This is a microwave pressure cooker.
Gosh.
Look, sealing ring, instrucciones, quick guide for proper use. All right. Thank you very much. That was a very nice and thoughtful gift. Use as a pressure cooker. All right, I'm going to learn this. Imagine that. Microwave pressure cooker, huh?
Wow, a new kind of pressure cooker that we don't have.
Sealing ring goes somehow. Let's see. Let's go around here. I'll read the directions. Okay, I'm going to figure this out and I'm going to make some. Okay? Thanks again. It was great. Nice surprise. And he was saying something about that. I'm like, he asked if I ever tried a microwave pressure cooker. I'm like, I don't understand that. Like, is it a microwave that pressure cooks? No. This will build up pressure. Look. Alright. I guess the tab pops up like our regular pressure cookers. We're going to find out.
This will be fun.
Yeah. And as soon as I figure out what I'm going to make in here, there's a couple little recipes. Let's see. Quick guide for proper use. Basic information. Is there a recipe? Yeah, there is. Chili con carne. Alright. Maybe I'll make that. Maybe. Maybe I'll grind up some beef. Huh. You think?
Sure.
We'll figure something out. Alright, thanks again. That was really nice. We really appreciate it. We're going to have a lot of fun with this. Never heard of it. Have a nice day, everybody. Thanks for stopping by. Please subscribe, see what we come up with this great invention. See ya. Have a good day.